Hi folks, how we doing? Welcome to another video. Today's a little mail call. This one's from Chris at Kawasaki, Utah's Garage and Workshops over in Canada. Go check out his channel, it's quite cool. Yes, we are in the back of the van at the minute because my workbench is absolutely shit up. In sort of retrospect, you know, I probably should have done the video on my bench because pretty much Chris's videos are all just bench clearing videos. So I should have just started this with clearing my bench, but I've got a car in there and I can't really be bothered, so I just thought fuck it, I'll do it out here. It's a lovely sunny day. It's cold but it's lovely and sunny, so we'll yeah, I thought I'd do it in the back of the van. So anyway, this is the little package you sent me. I have no idea what's in it. I haven't opened it. I took the documents thing off the back, but I haven't even opened it, so I really don't know. He keeps sending me messages laughing saying have I opened it yet, so I'm intrigued to find out what he's bought. So it's a tiny box. He's put on it Danny Growless balls from Kawasaki, Utah. The thing that made me chuckle more than anything else is it's been delivered from Royston, which is literally a 10-minute drive from where Michelle actually lives. So let me put this on the tripod. You know, I don't have a proper tripod for my phone, so this is the jankiness that I've set up. So hopefully we can do a proper opening. You can see hands and everything. Hold on, let me sort of clamp all this up and see what we can do. Right, this is actually hard work, sitting down on my van, sort of being all upside down like this. Phone's quite low. So anyway, he's put Danny Growless on there, like I said earlier, and that's because that's my Facebook thing. So if you want to follow me on Facebook, that's my personal one. I don't add everybody, but if I know you, you can add me. So the box says it's some weird bits, but it sounds like there's liquid in it. So we'll see. He's bought me some Dicom and some peanuts. Dicom Steel Blue Layout Fluid. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate that. I think it's just because he watched my video of doing me making me spits. Link will be about there somewhere, I think, or maybe this side. I don't know. I'll put the link up to that video, and I ended up using. I had to use a marker pen. So, yeah, thank you, Chris. That will definitely come in handy. I don't know why he kept laughing. Maybe because of the peanuts, I don't know. But he didn't send us. It's come from down the road, not Canada. So, I'm going to send him some shit. He's going to like it. I've got his address now. Hold on. If you are wondering, yes, that is a fan heater that we have in the back of the van. Because there's no heater in the van at all, so we end up running that with the doors closed for about 10 minutes before we leave because it's been cold. Let's warm up. So it's a panel that I made that I won't use. I ended up just buying one because I was getting bored, don't have time to do it, but just done an Instagram reel of that. It's quite cool, I like it. Anyway, we're going off topic here. So yeah, that's what he's bought me, some Dicom Blue. I'll definitely be using that probably in the near future, actually, to be fair. So yeah, thank you very much, Chris. Oh, excuse me. Please go check out Kawasaki, Utah Garage. Is it Garage and Workshop? Garage and Workshop, I'm sure it is. I don't fuck, I can never remember. Fucking longest fucking name in the world. Anyway, link will be up here. There's also a link in the description as well. So yeah, go check out his channel. You know, he's an absolute fucking sound bloke. We speak pretty much every day. I say pretty much because we normally miss each other, but we try and chat every day. It's normally about bullshit and bollocks, to be fair. We've got a Facebook group for us YouTubers. So if you want to join in the group, drop a comment. Go drop Chris a comment, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.